Hey guys, it's me. Happy Friday. I have so much stuff sitting here that I want to show you today. So I am just going to kind of cut to the chase and start showing you some different things. The first thing I wanted to show you, I've got makeup in this box down here from Sephora. And as usual, I'm sweating the FedEx man to bring another order that I got that's supposed to be here today, but I don't think it'll be here before we do this. So I'll tell you what, let me do makeup at the end. I'm gonna go ahead and show you a few things I got from Amazon because you know we get something from Amazon every day here. I wanted to show you this notebook. I have shown you these before, but these are my favorite notebooks, and they are from, I think, Bando, and I get them from Amazon, or where I first discovered them is Barnes & Noble. And I love these. These are the notebooks that I write on every day. Every morning I get up, I put the date, the day, I put my subscriber count, I put my weight, and I take notes while I'm watching videos or if something comes to mind. And then I also use this when I am editing my video. I have to write down all of the products that I'm wearing or mention to link for you guys down below. So I go through a lot of these. I never throw them away. I love that they have pockets and they're just pretty. They're really nice. You know how I love that feeling like of a fresh notebook with a good pen? That's how this one feels all the time. So you will love these if you are someone like me who writes everything down all the time. And I write everything down. I guess that you would call it a journal. Okay, then I placed an order a few weeks ago, and I got it last week, I think after I did my video. I got an Abercrombie and Fitch order. I have not ordered or been there in so long. And then I got a couple of other t-shirts that I want to show you. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and we'll mix it up some, and I'll show you my outfit of the day, the new shoes that I got, which are the Gianni Beanie Pink Lady that I have linked them several times. They're kind of like clear, but they're kind of pink and nudie. They're just beautiful. I wore them the other day when we went to the design office to make our first, do our first custom things to the house plan or whatever. And I will say they're comfortable, but I wore them for a long time that day, and I was walking around a lot, and they did start hurting like across my toes. But I am hoping that that stretches out because they are, that plasticky material. So you would think that that would stretch out, and they are true to size. So I'm going to stand up and do my outfit of the day and then show you all the things that I got from Abercrombie. And I think one thing is from Anthropologie, or no, Urban Outfitters, and then Anthropologie. So be right back. The first thing I'm going to start off with is this. These are the jeans that I got from Oliver. These are the A Goldie pinch waist, and I love them so much. I'm going today, she is working, and I'm going to get the other pair that have the, I think just like one rip in them, and I'm getting the sweatshirt and who knows what else. But so I'm supposed to go there today. And the bodysuit that I have on is from Abercrombie. And one of you guys told me about them, I think on Instagram. And so I went and I ordered a bunch of them. And this is, one of the one shoulder. I will say, let me check myself in the mirror. It's not bad now, but if you are a boinker, this does not have the double layer like the Zara ones do. But, luckily I usually have my hair there, and, I figure I'll be wearing a jacket most of the time. My shoes, see how pretty they are? Just the color of them. So just my perfect outfit. It feels so good to wear jeans again and feel good in them. So I'm going to go through just the other bodysuits that I got from Abercrombie, and I did get medium. So I got one like I have on now in black. I got this one that I think is so sweet. It has that little tiny ruffle across the top. This is one of my favorite designs. It's something that comes up halter and goes like this. This is going to look so good underneath Does it? Okay, I think it might crisscross in the back. This is going to look so good underneath a blazer, anything. Anytime you have that interest, like right up at the neckline, it really is a good piece. This is fabulous, you guys. I don't remember paying a lot for this, but it is so nice. Where is the tag? It was $140, and if I remember correctly, I got it on sale. But oh my gosh, it is kind of like a, I would say it's kind of like a twill fabric. And look at how pretty the back is, how that crisscrosses over, and I love the length of it. This is going to be so fabulous with anything. I'm going to try it on. I got the small, and I'm very glad I did. You guys, look at this. How fabulous this is. I love it. I love the length. And it feels good. It's not rain jackety, and does it have, it doesn't really have shoulder pads, but it has like, I don't know, it doesn't. Okay, it's this that makes it feel like there's something up here, but love it. Now we're moving on to, I believe I got this from Urban Outfitters, and I saw it on there. Let me see, make sure it's focusing. Yeah, I saw it on the website, and this is what I drive, is a BMW M Series 50, and you guys know I'm a hot rod, and I love hot rod cars, and so I got this, and I just loved the look of it, and I thought it would look good under a moto. I did get the small. It's Puma. I forgot about these, and they're so good. Okay, I got these from Abercrombie too. These little t-shirts, really soft, good ones. So this one that has, I think, yeah, New York on it. And then this one says New York. These were inexpensive. I remember them being on sale. They were $25. So worth it. And this one I ordered from Anthropologie, and I paid up for this one, but I just had to have it. As soon as I saw it, I just loved it. It's got the gold star on it. So I feel like this you can kind of dress up a little bit. Just love the color of this one. And I thought this one would look good under a faux fur, like the tan, you know, natural faux fur. So, love it. Okay, and I'm gonna take one of my shoes off and show it to you up close, so you can see how pretty they are. I know you can't see that far back, but here they are. Aren't they gorgeous? I mean, look at that heel. It is beautiful. Just so pretty. So the ankle is good. I just don't wrap them up tight. They don't bother me. They're a little bit tight through here. So I'm hoping as I wear them, they're going to stretch out some, but if they don't, I will put something in there and stretch it out myself. Now to makeup. My friend Denise, who has the best taste, and she's all about luxury, she sent me an Hermes lipstick. She asked me if I'd ever gotten one, and here comes our girl. And I told her no, that I could never find a nude. It seems like when I looked at them when they first came out, all I could find was like red and everything. And so, Chanel, she couldn't go that way. So anyway, she said, well, I found us a good color. This lipstick is so pretty. It comes in the classic Hermes box. And then look at the little case. It's like a little tweed case. And then here is the lipstick. That is beautiful. The only reason I didn't wear it today is because I wore another new one that I think I posted a picture on Instagram, and I told you that I would tell you today. But let me swatch it for us. It is so pretty. Ooh, it's creamy too. Yeah, that is going to be beautiful, especially with a good liner. Love it. So thank you, Denise. Here is one of my Sephora orders. Okay, birthday little gift. I thought that was pretty cool, that Boom Boom Cream. I ordered this Living Proof Perfect Hair Day In Shower Styler. Enhances texture, shine for air dried styles. I thought I would try that. And speaking of, look, my hair just bounced back last night. It said it could not stay blown out. So I didn't even think it was worth trying to straighten it out. Okay, let's see what else I've got here. The main thing I got, and I love it, it's just the wrong shade. It is like impossible these days to get your right shade, because even if they do have this at my Sephora, you cannot even open the box. So, and then I called Ulta, they aren't carrying this. So I ordered it. It is the new Soft Matte Complete Foundation from NARS, and I chose Medium 2 Santa Fe. It is too light. But today I'm wearing it, and I mixed it with just my Estee Lauder Tawny. I don't care if I have to get every medium shade. I am going to get the right color in this, because I think it is going to be a winner. I think if you like Estee Lauder Double Wear, you are going to love this. I mean, look at the coverage. I mean, it's amazing. It's more coverage than Double Wear, but yet it kind of sets and looks a lot like Double Wear. I love it. So like I said, I mixed this with the Tawny, and that's what I'm wearing today. So if you guys hear that noise, it's my crushed ice maker, my pellet ice maker. Brooke filled her water thing up right before she left, right before I started this video. So what it does is when you get a lot out, it immediately starts making more, you know, to fill it up. Now, I left that swatch on because remember this guy that I showed you, the Dior Ultralight Lip. Okay, remember what it does. If you have a color, say like this peach, and maybe you want it lighter in the middle, or you want to lighten it some, this is your guy. Look at that. It's amazing. It is really a neat product, and I don't use it enough. I'm just getting that off of it. But this will lighten any color. It is just a good thing to have. So today I am wearing, is it Natasha? I ordered 2 of these Natasha Denona I Need a Nude. And I ordered Beatrice and Natasha. And I think I'm wearing Beatrice. I'll be able to tell because I haven't worn one of them. Yes, this is Beatrice that I have on with Lancome Ideal. And it is such a Naomi Campbell supermodel 90s lip, I think. I love it. I'm like obsessed with it. So let me swatch it for you. I'll swatch it right here. But if you didn't want it quite as brownie, then use a rosy liner, like maybe use Lancome Charm or something like that. And the other one I got is a little bit, Natasha is, I think this one might be a little bit, yeah, maybe a little bit more tan. What would I say? Maybe just a little bit lighter. Sorry, I do the dumbest swatches sometimes. So let's just see. Let me put this on and see. Where'd I put my mirror? Here it is. I would say it's a little bit lighter. But I love the formula. I would say, first thing I thought of is if you like all of those Maybelline lipsticks like Beige Babe, Baddie Beige, and all those, but you cannot stand the smell of them because they smell so bad, you would love these. It's all those same tones. So pretty stoked and excited about those. But I wanted to see, here, let's blot my excess off. I wanted to see what this would do to this lip. It's making it even more crazy. So I don't know if I would do that with this. Let me blot some of it off. Okay, I love it. I just think it's just Naomi Campbell is all I can think of when I see it. I got this, which is the Silk Balm by Huda, and it's pretty. I can't say it's not pretty, but I don't know if it's worth what I paid for it. I would much rather see you get one of those City Lips lip glosses. I'm so impressed with those. So I would rather see you get one of those. But something I was like so impressed with is this. The first Charlotte Tilbury mascara I've ever liked. I bought one of these small ones, which I love small mascaras anyway. Look at this. Look, let me see if it'll focus. Look at that, how awesome that is. See how it's like flat on one side? This mascara, I almost went without lashes, but I thought, I know I'll like it better with lashes, but my lashes were like fabulous with this. So if you're placing a Sephora order, throw one of these little minis in your order because you will love it. As far as this goes, I'm just going to keep it. And with my order that's coming today, there was like a thing where I could pick a sample, a deluxe sample, and I picked another one in another shade. So maybe that one will be too dark, this one will be too light, and I can, you know, mix them up. But if you have tried this and you're my color, will you let me know down below? And for the winner of last week's giveaway, which was that great big Laura Mercier puff and the powder, and I think it was the brush and everything, the winner is the Hollister family. It's THE, I'll put it down below, the Hollister family. And you are the winner. And I have another one for this week. Where is it? Here it is. It's another PR package that I got from Laura Mercier this week. It is really nice. It comes in this little carrying case. And Brooke and I opened it together. And it is Olivia Colpo. It is her picks from Laura Mercier. And it's so funny, they wrote, "Dear Lisa, I'm working with Laura Mercier, and I wanted to get you some of my favorite products for the summer to try." And Brooke said, "Oh wow, she wrote you a letter." I said, "No, Brooke, I think that they just kind of did this." But anyway, I thought it was still cute. It's got the Highlight Matte 01, which is my favorite. And to the person who gets it, before I could even get it out of my mouth, Brooke had taken her finger and done like that just to look at the color of it. But that is all that has happened to this. I did not touch it anymore, so hopefully that won't bother you too bad. And it is the primer, the Pure Canvas Illuminating Primer. It is the Tinted Moisturizer in Bisque 3W1. It is a shadow stick in Copper, in one of my favorites, which is All Naturel, the mascara, and then the highlight, all in this bag. So if you would like to win this, I will announce the winner next Friday. And you have to be a subscriber, and you have to comment down below. You don't have to leave me a compliment, just leave a comment, and I will announce the winner next Friday. Thank you guys so much. I just can't thank you enough for being here. And thanks for my great response to my sappy videos this week. I appreciate it. And please don't forget to subscribe and to share my videos like on Facebook or Twitter. And I will see you, it'll kill me not to see you this weekend. I might see you this weekend if I can't stand it. Otherwise, I'll see you Monday. Bye-bye.